So first of all, try to ignore any negative feelings that you have about math, any negative memories. Try to erase it from your brain. Second tip, it's about the teacher. I mean, if you believe that your teacher is completely useless, and unfortunately there are a lot of teachers like that, and if you have the choice, let's say you are in college, so you have the choice, like attendance is not mandatory. To my opinion, I think you should skip the class altogether for two reasons. The first reason is that if you're going to some class that you don't understand anything, first of all, it's a waste of your time, and second is that you are going backwards in the first tip. If your teacher is average, good, or even excellent, and there are of course many of these too, of course attend the class and try to make the most of it. So by making the most of it is pay attention to details. Immediately when you don't understand something, ask your teacher. Don't be shy. And even if after the class, all the teachers have let's say hours after a class, so go and find your teacher and ask him for what you don't understand, but try not to leave details. So try not to leave details which you don't understand completely. That's very important. So now that's at when you are at the in the classroom, and now see, once at home, pull like your book, your textbook, whatever other resources you have, notes from your teacher if again you follow your teacher at the class, and try to understand everything. Usually for every hour you spend in class, you should spend approximately 1.5 hours studying by yourself. Now, when you are at home and you study math, what is very important is patience. So, and what you should do is what I say: study by time. What do we mean by study by time? Like a lot of students, when they start studying, they say, okay, today I will do chapter 1 to 5, or I will do pages from 90 to 100. I mean, that I think is not correct, because, again, math, in order to learn math the right way, you have to pay attention to the details. You have to understand every single thing as much as possible. So that's why I said study by time. Doesn't matter. I mean, maybe you will, in the beginning you will study only one page. The whole 1.5 hour. Let's say that you will be studying. That's okay. Just try to understand this 100%. So slowly you will be able to study more material, and just enjoy studying math. On the other way, if you leave small details which you don't clear in your mind, trust me, you will find it in front of you again, and they will make your life difficult again, and they will make they start bringing also this say like bad memories, so and you will start feeling, like going backwards again. So study by time and try to understand everything in detail. So when you study at home, of course, you study the theory, which goes with every topic, and then you go to the problems. So in the problems, try at least to do the problems that, the teacher recommends. Usually in universities or colleges, they have course outlines where, like the professors, they tell you what problems to study. So at least try to do them, if not more.